One. All right, and that song brought to you by Ulticare Medical Center, where healing meets compassionate care. Ulticare Medical Center. Ulticare Medical Center. Now open. Services offered. 24-hour emergency care services. Outpatient department. Dental clinic. Pharmacy. Clinical laboratory. Center for radiologic imaging. Center for cardiac care. Pulmonary unit. Center for wellness and health. Hemodialysis. HMO concierge. Ambulatory surgery clinic. And nursing services. Ulticare Medical Center. For more information, please call 047-602-6200-209. Visit and like our official Facebook page. We are located at number 2 National Highway, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City. For emergencies, you may call 0993-219-8273. Ulticare Medical Center, where healing meets compassionate care. Need help while in Subic? The following SBMA emergency numbers are available whenever you need assistance in the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. 911 for landline or 9111 for mobile phones for emergency calls. 252-4830 or 0917-569-8467 for the SBMA Fire Department. 252-4911 or 0917-563-4457 for the SBMA Law Enforcement Department. 252-4880 for the SBMA Public Health and Safety Department, and 02-886-50500 or 0915-777-7777 for One Hospital Command Center. Again, keep these emergency hotline numbers handy. 911 for landline or 9111 for mobile phones for emergency calls. 252-4830 or 0917-569-8467 for the SBMA Fire Department. 252-4911 or 0917-563-4457 for the SBMA Law Enforcement Department. 252-4880 for the SBMA Public Health and Safety Department. And 02-886-50500 or 0915-777-7777 for One Hospital Command Center.
This is a friendly reminder from Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority and 89.5 FM, My Subic Bay Radio. Let us make Subic Bay Freeport Zone COVID-free.
The Morning Brew. The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 to radio the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome people to the Wednesday edition of this radio show. It's August 21, 2024. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Thank you for tuning in. All right, and we would like to invite you to a couple of things. Actually, our friends from SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown is inviting you to the following. All right? Please bear with me. The 3-day sale will be happening August 30, 31, and September 1 at SM City Olongapo Central. You're all invited. So please do check it out. All right? A lot of sale offers. As usual, of course, alam nyo naman, whenever it's the 3-day sale, you'll get up to 70% off on selected items. All right? And for Prestige Friday, you'll get up to 50% off August 30, the whole day, and extra 10% off. All right, using your SMAC Advantage card, SM Advantage card, enjoy big discount at SM City Olongapo Central during the 3-day sale, August 30, 31, and September 1. All right, and don't forget to bring with you your SM Advantage cards, of course, the Prestige card holders, plus up to extra 10% off from bank partners. All right, check out the awesome offers. 3-day sale, August 32, September 1. And Auntie Anne's is having the Happy Hour promo. It's back. Happy Hour ulit from Auntie Anne's. Buy one, take one. Buy one, take one pretzels at Auntie Anne's ground level of SM City Olongapo Central from 3 to 6 p.m. Tuesdays to Thursdays. August 6 to 29 is the promo duration. And check out the Fashion Fest. This is from August 23. Malapit na. It's gonna start up until September 8. Enjoy exclusive deals and discounts on the latest trends and runway-ready look. At SM City Olongapo Downtown's Fashion Fest, it's the perfect time to refresh your wardrobe. Get ready to shop, snap, and slay. August 23 once again to September 8. And for those who loves jewelries, of course, jewelry sale, 50% off on selected fashion jewelries from August 19 to September 1 at your everyday store. Sparkle like never before with our women's jewelry sale. Discover stunning pieces from AXCS and other jewelry brands that will make you feel like royalty. All the discounted prices up to 50% off. Once again, August 19 to September 1. And the Ace Hardware National Heroes Day Sale, August 23 to the 26th. Up to 40% off on selected items and additional 10% off when you use your Ace Rewards card and Smack Advantage card, SM Advantage card. Also, check out the Everyday Savers sale at the SM Store Olongapo. All right. Your everyday store, August 19 to 21, up to 50% off on selected items. All right. Hydro Fresh tumblers for only 200 pesos. And lastly, the SM Advantage card sale, Smack Sale. Extra 10% off from August 23 to the 26th. This is in celebration of the long weekend. Oo nga, no? Long weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, pati Monday kasama. Long weekend sale at the SM Store. Smack Sale. Alright, so do check it out. And visit SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown today for more increase, of course. Okay? And right about now, of course, we have here at the station the group. Actually, hindi sila kompleto, no? Kala ko kompleto darating ngayon, eh. Pero dalawa sila nandito. The song you heard a while ago, it's called Sariling Digmaan. Yan, yung plinay natin kanina. And you guys are in luck. I'm gonna tell you more about the songs, pero mas maganda kung sila. Tama-tama, nandito. Sila yung will tell you more about the songs. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to have them back here. Pangalawa na nila, you know. The last time was the year 1864. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
November.
The band that goes by the name Boys, B-O-I apostrophe S. Yan, Boys Band. Ayan. Welcome po. Greet muna kayo mga pare at mare.
Hello po and good morning po sa inyong lahat. Kami po ulit ang Boys Band. And shoutout po sa mga kabanda namin na wala dito. Dapat nandito kayo eh.
Oo nga eh. Sana nga eh, no?
Para kompleto.
Ayan, kila Fran, kila Gibo, sino pa, si Michael, yung manager namin si Far, tsaka yung bagong drummer soon.
TBA pa, TBA. Yeah. Well, to let the listeners know, you are, your name, sa mga hindi pa nakakilala?
I'm Aina po.
Aina.
Si Justin.
And Justin. Aina is on the lead vocals?
Yes, lead vocal po.
Ayan, ang vocalist na hindi vocal. In fact, mahaba ang hair. Si Aina. Ayan.
May kulay pa.
At may kulay pa. Si Justin naman?
I'm a lead guitarist po.
Lead guitarist.
Vocalist.
Ayan. I know you answered some of these questions before nung the first time you were here. Pero syempre, ibang set of listeners to ngayon. Baka hindi pa kayo nami-meet or haven't came across you guys yet. Ayan. Tell us more about Boys Band, B-O-I-S. Umpisahan natin sa pangalan. Bakit nga ba B-O-I-S band yung pinangalan? Who gave the name?
Parang trip lang po talaga namin yun eh. Kasi boy po tawagan namin. Nag-search po talaga kami ng mga names na pwede may mga deep meaning pa talaga. Pero nung sabi ko, bakit di na lang boys? Kasi boy tawagan natin. Tapos umagri naman silang lahat. Tapos yun na.
Parang, boy! Ganun ba?
Yeah,
Yes,
boy.
Boy,
Boy, mo nga to.
Naiwan mo yung Tupperware mo, boy.
Parang
gano'n. Maraming ng band na gumawa ng ganyan, naghanap ng deep meaning, and then bumagsak lang sa mga simpleng ano lang, pero naging hit, di ba? Kuwela. Yan. Okay. So, pero officially, who decided na, ito na yung pangalan, ito na yung, sino nakaisip?
Parang,
Boys.
Lahat naman eh. No?
Parang
lahat naman. Everybody agreed, ano?
Agree.
Yeah. And for those who don't know, you guys are originally from?
Santa Maria, Bulacan.
Santa Maria, Bulacan. Ayan. Okay, wow. Geography 101 ng Bulacan. Medyo malaki Bulacan no. Nasaan siya kalagitnaan? Norte o southern part ng Bulacan?
Gitna siya eh.
Gitna.
Santa Maria gitna.
Parang central no, central ng Bulacan. Yan. Okay. Kamusta naman ang Santa Maria? Etong last Typhoon Karina, anong balita sa inyo doon?
May mga part na binaha po like Marilao, Balagtas.
Madami.
Pero sa amin naman safe naman.
Kami pinakamataas sa Atalos
Elevated. Medyo elevated ang
medyo elevated siya pa akong talaga.
Santa Maria. Medyo elevated. Okay. So, I have here a couple of your songs. Ayan. Kanina the one we played, Sariling Digmaan. Alright. How many songs do you guys have na nga pala? All in all?
Pang-anim na yata yan.
And it's all been officially released na?
Yes po.
Like on Spotify, on official
Apple
platforms?
Music, yes.
How about signed by a record company?
Wala pa
has it
po.
been signed?
Independent pa po kami as of now.
Bikinime. Bikinime. Okay. So, tell us about the flavor, the genre of the band. Ano nga ba sa mga, if they're gonna listen to you guys for the first time, what to expect?
Parang siyang alternative indie.
Alternative indie. Yeah.
Grabe
Ganun po Ganun yung genre niya
Okay.
Pasok siya doon.
Alright. So, and how long have you guys been, a band? Kailan kayo nagsimula? Kailan kayo nag-start?
Magpa 5 years na po.
5 years.
Magpa 5 years? Wow, tagal na rin mga magpa 5 years, mga 4 years and 11 months, ganyan.
Yes.
Counting.
1 month na lang, 5 years na. Okay. So, how the band started? Sige nga, kwentuhan nyo nga kami, paano nagsimula, paano
paano ba?
Sino yung unang nagkakilala muna para na...
Ako, si Fran, tsaka si Michael. Nagkakilala po kami nung college. Magkakalaban po kami sa Battle of the Bands. Tapos, yung si Gibo, yung aming other rhythm guitarist, nakalaro ko lang siya sa COD.
Call of Duty.
Call of Duty.
Online game.
COD.
Sa online game.
Ayan, nakita ko po kasi na may mutual friend po pala kami, and then nalaman ko na musician po pala siya. So, nag-jam po kami, then dumating yung time na nangailangan po kami ng another member. Kinontak ko po siya. Ayan, and
this
siya
was
naman po
circa 2000.
Uy.
Sobrang tagal na. Parang
tagal na.
20.
Nangailangan naman po kami nung drummer nung time na tumutugtog po kami sa Resto Bar. Nag-post po ako ng looking for drummer, ganyan. Tapos nakita ko nag-like siya. Naalala ko, kasama ko siya sa music club nung high school. And naalala ko na multi-instrumentalist siya. So may message ko siya kaagad. Tapos G naman siya.
So high school na, some of them were friends with you guys na already. Pero college, this materialized when you guys were in college na. Yun nga, isa yung kinikwento mo na
nabuo na talaga.
Nabuo. And college days is circa 2000.
2017 yata.
2017 yun, mga ganun time. 2016, 2017 yun talaga.
Okay, mahiya. That was just ilang years lang, 2017.
Hindi na mahalata eh.
I hate you guys.
Pero 2019.
Pag ako nagsalita about college days, 90s yun. Ang layo na eh. So, kailan lang yun? Just, yeah.
Yes,
okay.
Years lang.
Pero 2019 po kami
2019.
nabuo talaga.
Na officially nabuo na.
Opo.
Buti bago nag-pandemic, nabuo na kayo, no?
Kaya nga po.
Yung pandemic talaga nag-stop ng lahat.
Pero tuloy pa rin kami nung pandemic. Online lang po kami.
Online. Okay. Alright. So, yan. Boys Band. BOIS. You have your official Facebook page for those who wanna, get in touch with you, no? Yung mga for events and all, tama ba?
Events natin.
Events,
Later meron tayo.
Yeah.
Sampaloc, Manila.
Sige, you go. Nandoon na rin lang tayo, nabanggit na rin lang. Speaking of events, your upcoming events and gigs. Sige po, promote natin. Yeah.
And later, nasa Dante's Diner po kami sa Sampaloc, Manila.
Later?
Yes po.
Grabe. Talagang bumiyahe lang kayo for 8 years. And then, kala ko naman you have a gig somewhere here. Kasi usually, that's the thing.
Talaga eh.
Wow. I appreciate what you guys did, na bumiyahe pa all the way to promote dito sa 89.5 and then babalik na Dantes sa Sampaloc.
Sa Sampaloc, Manila po. Dantes Diner later. 5 p.m.
Yeah, punta po kayo.
Yes po. Free entrance yun.
Yun.
Free admission naman.
Sino nga yung makakasama natin doon?
Kasama kami dyan
na ibang artist din. Sila Danica at Sinag, Eliza Maturan, Eugene Layog, Dara Shea, and Erica Jane. Yan ang makakasama natin sa Dantes Diner. And then August 24, City Boy Brew Marikina, 6 p.m. naman. Ayan, may mga makakasama din tayong ibang indie artists dyan. And August 31, 88 Friars sa Timog kasama Atoy's EP release birthday gig.
Yun. Are among them regulars kayo or this was just a scheduled? So far wala pang regular na every week, every
meron din sa ano?
Meron every Saturday sa Comida Victoria. Malapit lang po siya sa Philippine Arena.
Comida Victoria,
yes,
Philippine Arena. That's part of Bulacan pa rin, no?
Yes po.
Ayan. Okay, so yun po yung kanilang schedules na pwede nyo makita sa Facebook page nila.
Yes,
no? So you might as well follow them para, if you guys are, interested. My next question would be, kasi from di ba nag-gig kayo, nagpe-perform kayo in different places, you get to feel the audience na meron kayo, no? Di ba? Based on your experience, ano yung madalas i-request sa inyo na kunyari songs from popular bands na kasi may naniniwala kayo na kunyari ako, halimbawa audience nyo ako, nanonood ako sa inyo. Alam yung parang pag nakita ko kayo, siguro ito yung mga songs na pwede i-request dito sa parang nababagay sa parang ito yung bagsakan nila sa tingin ko eh. Kunyari halimbawa songs ng etong banda to parang siguro maganda requestan to ng songs ng bandang Lapis parang gano'n example, di ba? Ano yung gano'n na banda madalas sa tingin niyo na napapansin sa inyo ng mga tao na pwedeng i-request ito?
Chisgan.
Uy!
Chisgan.
Sa mga resto bar kasi
Still Heart.
Parang trip-trip lang kasi. Pag narinig nila na kayang kumanta ng mataas, susunod-sunurin na nila yan. Still Heart Ages.
Morissette.
So kinakaya nyo yung She's Gone na...
Basta may abot kaya.
Basta
may abot
may sagot. Yan pong motto namin.
Kahit hindi kaya, basta may abot kaya, inaabot eh.
Yes po, motto namin po yan sa gig.
Tama naman.
Pag may abot, may sagot.
Abot mo, kakayanin ko. Oo nga naman. Tama nga naman.
Pero yung mga previews sa events natin, ang madalas dyan, kasi sumikat yung Raining in Manila.
Yeah. Yun, exactly. That's the thing I'm looking for. Kasi, common na yun eh. She's Gone. Yes, nire-request talaga yun. Yung parang nafe-feel nyo na parang, siguro parang the word for it is kinukompare kayo na ito yung bandang similar ang bagsakan siguro ng banda na ito pag nakita kayo.
Parang challenge
Ben and Ben songs.
May mga taong may ear and knack for that kind of thing no?
Tunog nila to
parang
challenge
siguro.
Kaya natin.
Minsan sa appearance pa lang alam na nila na parang mga gifted na
yes po.
musically inclined din siguro, ganun. Yeah.
Madalas po yung mga Ben and Ben songs kasi tatlo kaming vocalist sa band. Kasi mga bossesano.
Actually, I find that question interesting for bands na nag-guest dito kaya lagi kong tinatanong yun eh. Kaya lang nung last time you were here nakalimutan ko ito. Yeah. Di ba naman parang nalalaman parang alaman thing na ito pala yung appearance namin, ganito pala kaya nagre-request siguro sila ng gano'n. So yun yung madalas ma-request sa inyo, Ben and Ben songs.
Opo.
Tsaka yung sa Raining in Manila.
Lola Amor.
Yun, Lola Amor. Yun, okay. So siguro yun yung nakikita nila na datingan sa inyo, parang
siguro
gano'n.
Sa voicing, no?
Sa voicing kasi.
Sa voicing din, Yeah, okay. Pero nagulat ako She's Gone
Ganun eh.
Pero kumakanta sa amin yung lalaki. Si Michael.
Basta may ano yung sabi mo kanina?
Basta may abot, may sagot.
May sagot. Tama nga naman. Minsan sinusulat na lang nandun kasama yung may abot na
sa tissue.
Nakatiklop yan.
Kaya kahit wrong spelling, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Wala namang wrong spelling wrong, parang gano'n. Correct minus wrong. Sino ang major songwriter ninyo? Does everybody contribute with that or?
Ilan naman kasi tinry po namin ano ba? Ilan na ba?
Etong songs that was given to me, all originals nyo to, no?
Opo, all originals po. Apat na po kaming sumulat ng kanta.
Pinagtulungan nyo.
Maglalabas na yung EP. Maglalabas ng EP next.
Siguro next month yata.
Next month.
Mag-start na ulit ang recording.
Yeah. Okay.
Pero halos lahat po kami, basta may magsulat naman po ng kanta,
Hindi
pakikinggan po
pinaparinig.
namin, tapos
Yeah.
i-arrange po namin.
Kung nagustuhan,
Yeah.
i-arrange na natin.
Nangyayari din sa inyo siguro yung syempre, ideas and inspiration is, sabi nga nila, is everywhere, biglaan. Minsan naglalakad ka lang, teka, may you're humming something in your mind.
Yes.
Teka, pakinggan nyo to. Nangyayari
Minsan
ganun,
sa CR eh. Pagka...
Madalas talaga sa CR.
CR madalas eh.
Doon po papasok lahat ng ideas.
Nagmumuni-muni.
Alone time kasi yun eh. Walang distraction sa paligid. It's just you. Yeah. So far, the songs you have, Can I Love You? Would you like to tell us about Can I Love You?
Can I Love You?
Is it a love song or something? Or pakinggan nga natin ng konti in the background while we're talking. Yan.
Yan, sige.
Hindi ko lang pwede i-full blast kasi alam mo naman, live tayo sa Facebook.
Opo.
Alam mo naman si paring Mark Zuckerberg, napakahigpit niyan eh. Di ba? Ayan. Can I Love You?
Can I Love You? Ayan. Habang nasa coffee shop po kasi ako niyan.
Love song ang datingan, ano?
Love song ang datingan.
Yeah.
Parang may naisip lang ako na
So you wrote it?
na-fall ka sa friend mo.
Mhm.
Lagi kayong magkasama sa coffee shop, ganyan. Tapos na-fall ka sa friend mo. Pero hindi mo masabi kasi natatakot ka na baka masira yung friendship nyo.
Mhm. So yun yung dating ano. You wrote it. You're
Yes
the one.
po.
Okay. Can I Love You? Ito. How about Liko?
Ayan, si Fran ang sumulat niyan eh.
Ito. Rak-rakan ang dating nito.
Parang
Liko.
it's a song about regrets.
Regrets? Okay. Regrets. Alright.
Na nakilala kita na, sir, pagka nakilala kita sa next life, ako na mismo ang lalayo. Ako na mismo ang liliko.
Next life na nga yun eh, no? Lalayo pa. Is it that bad? Really? Yeah. Ito naman, para sa mga sa mga mapanghusga.
Mapanghusga. Ayan. Para sa mga taong hinusgahan ng taong may pangarap. At
Also, the song,
minaliit yung pangarap.
the song speaks of the person that was judged.
Yes po.
Ayun, hindi pinapatungkulan yung mga Yeah, okay. Alright. Yung mga judge. And then SLT.
And
Yan.
go Justin. Si Justin ang nagsulat.
True story about roleplay na na-inlove sa kanyang love team. Ayan.
Yeah.
Yun yung niya.
SLT stands for, again?
Na-inlove.
Storya lang ito.
Storya lang to. Okay. SLT.
Yun.
Alright. Na-in-love. And lastly, Yakap ng Pag-ibig.
Yakap ng pag-ibig.
Is this a crooner or?
No.
Ayan.
What's a hit song?
Pwede siyang love song.
Love song.
Pwede.
Middle of the road. So,
Para sa mga taong gusto ng pahinga. Ayan, parang pagod na pagod ka na, isang yakap mo lang sa taong mahal mo, family, friends, or loved ones mo, mapapawi na kagad yung pagod mo.
Wow. Yakap ng Pag-ibig. Who wrote the song?
Michael, ayan,
Michael.
yung isang vocalist po namin.
Yung isang vocalist. Hindi rin vocal. No?
Hindi po.
Hindi, vocalist lang talaga.
Nababokal na.
Uy.
Nasaan sila? Ba't hindi sila nakasama? May mga,
Ay, iba may
pasok
work.
ba or work? Ayan.
Kami lang yung jobless.
Anybody among you students pa? Hindi na.
Wala naman.
Wala naman na. Alright. Okay. So, what was the, so far, sa mga naging performances ninyo na pinagdaanan nyo, what can you say, what do you consider the biggest? Parang, so far, the biggest, pinakamaraming tao siguro na nag-perform kayo. Biggest venue, biggest event.
BSU po.
School.
BSU.
Bulsu.
Bulacan State University.
Yes po.
Wow.
Yeah, nagpa-concert po sila, no?
It was a concert actually.
Yes po. Nakasama namin doon si
Maki.
Maki of...
Kumanta ng
Dilaw.
Dilaw. Yun po yung sumisikat
Oh, yeah. Dilaw. Oo nga pala. Yeah. Maki. Alright. Is he also from Bulacan? Or hindi naman? Invited, no? Yeah. Alright.
Siya yung main artist.
So, why do you consider it your biggest performance so far? Dahil...
Kasi, ang laki pa.
Tsaka nilas tayo eh. Tsaka nilas tayo eh.
Parang
Ako
main
na si
event.
Maki, nung nila tayo.
Parang main event no?
Nag-stay lahat ng tao. Sobrang dami pa rin.
Dami, yeah. And the reception was the acceptance of the reaction of the crowd. was superb.
Ay, opo, grabe.
Kaya
Hindi natin
kinonsider nyo.
expect na gano'n pala.
Kasi medyo napapadalas din po yung tugtog namin. So medyo kilala din po kami ng iba doon.
That's nice. That's nice. Ayan. Oh, so again, beke naman. They have the songs, they have the makings, they have the, di ba? All right. So far, any other big names that you guys been with na nakapag-perform aside from Maki and perhaps?
I think
Sleep Alley, tsaka si ano pa?
sino nga to? Pusa Kalye.
Pusakalye. Yeah.
Oo, tsaka Brysom.
Brysom. Ayan.
Yun pala nga.
Anong pangalan nun? Sunday Special.
Sunday Special. Ayan, yung mga yan.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. All right. So, siguro invite them to grab hold of the copy of your songs and how they can how can they? Sige nga.
Iratahin nyo.
So, please stream our songs on Spotify, Apple Music. If wala kayo nun, pwede yun sa YouTube channel.
Yes.
Yan, stream nyo lang po yung latest song namin na Sariling Digmaan. Yan, para sa mga taong may pinagdadaanan, may personal struggles or internal struggles na paulit-ulit nilang nararanasan.
And one way of, syempre, yung sa YouTube channel, they can help you guys by subscribing man lang doon sa
Yes,
channel.
please subscribe po.
Subscribe man
Comment,
lang.
like, and share.
Comment lang.
Engage, comment lang kayo dyan.
So all of your songs are on YouTube, your
Nasa
YouTube channel
YouTube
na rin,
din
no?
po.
May music videos kayong ginawa? Or
Wala pa po.
Wala pa naman.
Opo. May plano pero plano pa rin as of now.
Lyrics video, tsaka
lyrics video siya.
Lyric video.
Tsaka karaoke. Uy, may karaoke na ha?
Yes po.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice.
Video okay.
Ang effort ko dun, ginawa ko siya yung parang sa video okay talaga yung may naka-input pang number.
Sumasayaw.
Wow! Meron ding yung Are You Having Fun?
Yes!
Sa
Meron.
instrument.
Interlude. So mag-video okay kayo kasi ang effort ko dun.
Pag napasama sa sa alam mo yun, yung mga karaoke songs na yung may dinun 1, 4, 4, 3.
Yung mga ganun.
Oh, that's nice. Ayan. So they're on YouTube na, on Spotify, YouTube,
Apple Music.
Apple Music, Facebook,
TikTok, meron din.
TikTok meron din.
Alright, so let's help the band however which way we can, di ba? Kahit pa paano. Like on YouTube nga, just simply liking and subscribing gonna help them a lot. On the algorithm, syempre, especially.
Yes.
Okay. So, sa mga sites ninyo, ano yung pinakamaraming followers? Yung sa YouTube ba or yung sa
FB po.
sa FB?
Opo, nasa 8K plus.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Double the followers of mine. All right. So, ayan. Okay, any other last thing you guys wanna siguro?
Pero baka may shoutout ka, pwede po ba mag-shoutout?
Yeah. Tsaka na rin, give them some, yung mga nakikinig ngayon, some inspirational words siguro na, startup musicians na nakikinig ngayon, di ba? Na nangangarap din, kasalukuyan.
Marami talagang sisira sa'yo.
Sa una.
Marami kang pagdadaanan talaga.
Yes. Totoo
Pero
yan.
dapat patuloy ka lang.
Tuloy lang.
Tuloy mo lang kung ano yung nagpapasaya sa puso mo.
Just keep going.
Yes.
Oo.
Pag
Yan.
hinihila
Tingnan
ko,
mo, kahit 2 lang kami ngayon, dapat 6 kami. Tuloy lang.
Tuloy lang.
Yes. Their guesting here today is one testament to that. Na kalahin mo, they came all the way from Bulacan. Well, just to add up to their to their resume, they went all the way here. Tapos babalik pa uli, magpe-perform pa sa Dantes mamaya. Pag nakapunta ako doon, sige, yun ang pupuntahan ko yung Dantes.
Ayan.
Okay. So, how about you, pare?
Yun, abangan nila yung mga susunod na i-release namin. 4 na kanta yun
EP.
Yeah.
Alam ko na makaka-relate sila.
So far, we have 6 of their songs here that you guys can request. Kahit araw-araw. Walang problema. Ayan, mga nakikinig ngayon. Okay. Alright. Wow. So sorry to continue.
Yun,
Yung-
okay na.
yung
Shoutout
advice
na lang
mo.
din sa mga kaibigan ko dyan, sa mga kabanda ko, sa nanay ko. Ayan.
Ayan. And shoutout din sa mga ka-choir ko dyan. Kila Ate Cathy, kay Kuya Anthony, tsaka ibang mga choir members ko dyan. Tsaka yung sa ate ko na bagong kasal, kay Ate Ann and Kuya OJ. And congratulations.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Okay. All right. So, thank you guys for dropping by. I really appreciate what you guys did. You came all the way from Bulacan. You guys drove or commute or
Drove.
just to be here today. I really appreciate that. Maraming salamat. Thank you for doing
Maraming
that.
salamat din po.
Ayan. Okay, so guys, mga nakikinig ngayon, ayan, you guys can request for their songs. I have them all here on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio, and as soon as madadagdagan, just, keep passing them on to me para maisama natin lagi sa library natin.
Maraming salamat po.
Our pleasure. Ayan. Okay, let's help OPM, di ba? Alright. Thank you. Boys, BOI''S. Hit and like their Facebook page. Ayan, okay. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much po.
So, before we take the quick top of the hour, perhaps another song from them. Here's Can I Love You, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.